Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can personalize the Google Keep notes with colors and themes. So personalizing your notes with colors and themes is a great way to organize and visually distinguish your notes. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it on desktop or the web versions of Google Keep. So just visit the Google Keep in your browser and then select a node that you want to customize, or you can also create a new one in here. I'm going to just create one in here as example. So this is the node that I want to customize. Now if you want to change the color, you can click on this palette icon at the bottom of the node, and now just select the color that you want. For example, I'm going to go with peach color here. You can see now the notes has been changed, the color. And to add themes or to add image as a background, you can just create a note just like this, and then you can use the image upload options to add a photo. So just click on this and then choose the image that you want. For example, here, let's just try to use this one. Tap on open. And now you can see this is the notes, and it's like a background on the notes. You can also use labels and emojis for visual organization. You can assign labels to notes by tapping on the three dots menu and select add label. And you can also add emojis in the note title or content to make notes more visually distinctive. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.